Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to math. Today, we're still covering permutations and combinations. Last class, we did the combinations part. Today, we're doing permutations. The difference between permutations and combinations, not only the equation is a little shorter for permutations, but in permutations, order does matter. Okay? Where combinations, it really doesn't matter what goes first, what goes second. So for permutations, we do. Okay, so today we are doing permutations. The equation is n, permutations equals n over n minus r. Okay, we're not going to use that other r we did last class. Today is just a simple equation. Okay, we have n on top and then n minus r. Okay, we're still using the same theorem we did last class. Okay, last video. So we have these four markers. Okay, out of these four markers, we can only do groups of twos. Okay. Again, we're trying to see how many groups can we do without making the same color twice at the beginning. So our n is 4, right? Because we have 4 markers. So we have 4, and we are doing groups of twos, right? Groups of twos. So groups of twos. Notice that, again, from last class, the first one's always your n, your total. And your second number is always your r, okay? Your rate of whatever's being taken apart. So let's use another color here. So again, let's plug it in. We have n, which is 4. So we have 4 factorial over 4 minus r, which again, guys, is 2, right? 2 factorial. We can say 4 factorial over 4 minus 2, which is 2, right? 2 factorial. Do you guys remember what factorial means? It means counting down, right? For example, if it's 4, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, okay? So let's write it out. We have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1, okay? Again, we're gonna do the same thing we did last class, where we cancel out things. Notice the bottom, we only have 2, so we can cancel 1 and 2. The same on the top, 1 and 2. So we have 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. And that is our answer. 12. Okay? Simple, right? Remember, you're still using the sort of the same equation. The only difference between the equation from last class and this class, you had an extra r here last class. This time you don't have it. Okay? Make sure you have it down on your notes. Make sure you write down everything. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Okay? So here's your assignment for today. All right, so your assignment for today is, your first problem is P, which is permutation, okay, 5 and 2, okay. Your second permutation is 7 and 3, okay. And your final one, just to do a little bit of review from last class, combination of 6 and 4, okay? This last one, remember, has a C for combination. This one says permutation. This one's just a review from last class, so you guys keep still keep the hang of how to do the equation. Okay, so 2 permutations, 1 combination. Okay, make sure you write it down. Make sure that you send your answers as soon as you're done watching the video, and I'll be waiting for your email.